How many miles can a Tesla go in its lifetime? It is interesting to know that electric vehicles are shaping the future of clean and fast transportation. As one of the most popular electric vehicle manufacturers, Tesla is lauded and heralded by the technology and car press for its thunderous innovations that stirred up the traditional market with cars that have a distinctive buzz among other manufactured vehicles, taking this distinction from the concept of Tesla mileage and battery lifespan. Although battery life is a factor that must consider, the distance covered by any vehicle, even Tesla, could solely depend on how well maintained the battery is. But before we continue, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. What is Tesla? Tesla is, perchance, an electric vehicle manufacturer in the Palo Alto area of California. The sole aim of Tesla is to satisfy its customers by producing either a premium or affordable electric vehicle. So far, the founder and CEO of Tesla is Elon Musk. Moreover, Tesla also explores a broader network, offering solutions for battery power, solar panels, and power storage systems. In essence, Tesla still has a fraction of the moving parts of a traditional combustion engine. However, maintenance is almost non-existent as compared to conventional cars. So, the Tesla vehicles have tremendously reliable and long-lasting battery life. In addition, Tesla vehicles have larger significant battery packs with a more extended range, making them distinctive even among electric cars. The stat range of the Tesla battery pack is between 65 kWh to 100 kWh, thus giving some models as much as 375 miles. The Tesla models include 1. Tesla Model S and Model S Plaid. 2. Tesla Model 3. 3. Tesla Model X and Model X Plaid. 4. Tesla Model Y, Model Y Long Range, and Model E Performance. Although each has its features, advantages, and disadvantages, they are the most safest vehicles in the USA, Europe, and the world. On the other hand, Tesla has the Cybertruck of single, dual, and tri-motor AWDs and Roadster of AWD brand. Isn't this fantastic? How many miles can a Tesla go in its lifetime? Notwithstanding, this is tricky to state for certainty the lifetime of a battery. Tesla has said that if your Tesla vehicle's battery allows less than 70% of its capacity, it will reach the end of its lifetime, and you could be eligible for repair or replacement. In essence, the statistics vary depending on the car model, and recently the majority of batteries in Tesla vehicles can last for 300,000 to 500,000 miles, which is a 1,500 battery cycle based on Elon Musk's statement on Twitter. That range implies 21 to 37 years for the average vehicle driver, who, as regards the idea of the Department of Transportation, would drive about 13,500 miles yearly. Similarly, by Solar Review, the battery life will degrade at this mileage, and beyond the 500,000 miles, the Tesla battery might still function, but by a reduced range per charge. Although, there is an anticipation that Tesla is working on a battery life that would last about 1 million miles. What current Tesla models last longer? Contemporarily, the Tesla model that lasts longer in terms of battery lifespan is the Tesla S model. Since Tesla has always looked at expanding its offering, it significantly impacted the production of the Model S. However, the lasting abilities of the Model S depend on the driving style and environmental factors. Are Tesla models autonomous? No, Tesla models are not autonomous or self-driving but rather autopilot. Perchance. Let's get into what these terms could mean in reality. Basic autopilot comes on all Tesla models and includes ADAS systems such as adaptive cruise, lane keeping assistance, lane centering, and emergency braking. Similarly, customers might upgrade this feature by paying about $12,000 to enable their vehicle to be summoned from a parking spot using the FSD full self-driving system. Hence, Elon Musk has made it clear that his company, Tesla, is aiming at having self-driving technology. However, the autonomous Tesla models have yet to be available, no matter what the marketing department of Tesla may say. Have it at heart that autonomous vehicles are highly regulated and clearly defined by various governing agencies in the USA and worldwide. Are Tesla car models safe? Yes, Tesla models are safe. Elon Musk has long accentuated that safety is Tesla's #1 priority in vehicle manufacturing. By research, Tesla model cars have surpassed other vehicles as regards safety analyses of the NHTSA in the USA. Model S was the safest vehicle ever tested years ago, and models such as Model Y, X, and 3 are on the same platform of a high safety stat. Today, Model Y is the latest car to earn a rating of 5-star from the European New Car Assessment Program. How many miles can a Tesla do lifetime? Most Tesla vehicles will go as far as 10 years without any major repairs. Although, it has a warranty of 8 years or 100,000 to 150,000 miles depending on the model. If you need to replace your battery pack sooner than expected, the warranty terms come to reality for any unforeseen circumstances. You would expect your Tesla vehicle to keep functioning for many years with appropriate care and regular maintenance strategy. Can buyers find used Tesla models? Yes, of course, you can. Firstly, as a buyer, you can get a used Tesla model from the manufacturer dealerships and certified pre-owned cars. Though there will be a minimum standard that Tesla vehicles must meet, such as the mechanical and cosmetic standards, before selling it to you with a good warranty, in any case. Secondly, buying from independent dealers is good. Thirdly, you can get used Tesla models from a private seller, but be sure that the car is under the original warranty and other vital issues. How long does Tesla battery last in a day? The period the Tesla battery would last for a day depends on the Tesla models since they differ, irrespective that they have a range of battery warranty for 8 years or 100,000 to 150,000 miles. Here you have it. The Tesla Model X and S would have an average of 18,750 miles per year and about 51 miles daily. Similarly, Tesla Model Y would have 15,000 miles per year and about 41 miles daily. You got that right. How long does various models of Tesla last? The lasting time for various Tesla models depends on several factors that might affect the overall range of the model. Thus, a primary reason is the range value. This range is between 267 miles to 405 miles. Then, on average, the Tesla model lasts for 336 miles on a single charge. Let's check this out. The long-range Model S has excellent acceleration and a more significant battery life of 155 miles per hour and 405 miles, respectively. However, knowing that a more excellent range comes with a higher cost is vital. Note that the stated mileage average by Tesla is not a guarantee that your model would get precisely that range. Similarly, other more precise factors that vary in the range value could be your driving style, consisting of driving at lower speeds and avoiding excess load. All the models of Tesla have impressive ranges compared to other electric vehicles on the market. As the network of Tesla grows globally, you can take most of these cars, on long road trips. Perchance, you would feel contented getting where you intended to go. What are all the Tesla car models, and how long does each last? As stated earlier, the Tesla model is indeed to last for 21 to 35 years or 3,000 to 5,000 miles. This lifespan is on the fact that the average amount of miles each person in America yearly is about 14,263. But have it at heart that this stat may fluctuate based on the range, among other factors. Hence, the models of Tesla cars are Model X, Model Y, Model S, and Model 3. How long does a Tesla Model S last? Invariably, the Model S has two brands or versions, Model S and Model S Plaid, both of which are AWD, all-wheel drive, for their earlier editions. Hence, the Tesla Model S can last 405 miles from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds, while the Model S Plaid can last for 396 miles from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.99 seconds. In other words, the Tesla Model S and its versions offer autopilot as their standard as it brings a range of driver assistance. Still, there is an option for enhanced autopilot to enable navigation to autopilot, self-parking, summon, auto-changing lane, and so much more. In conclusion, Tesla vehicles have a much longer lifespan of at least 10 years without major repairs, with most of the Tesla models expected to last above 21 years. However, the most substantial concern is battery deterioration. Notwithstanding, Tesla has a warranty of 8 years or 100,000 to 150,000 miles. Tesla will address any issue arising during this period, such as a change or replacement of battery and other repairs. For the Tesla battery to last longer and, perchance, have an extended mileage range requires, you should get a regular checkup, avoid hard acceleration, use a quality charger, and keep your eye on your model's capacity and regenerative braking system. Nevertheless, Tesla is still at the forefront of all electric vehicles and how to make improvements on cheaper, longer-lasting battery capacity, advancement in the autopilot system, and self-driving systems. Remember, Tesla also offers opportunities for selling used vehicles with a good warranty. Get a Tesla model now and enjoy all the essential features. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.